Hi, welcome to today's video. I am here with my daughter Sophia, and we are going to do some jewelry, aren't we?
Yay, jewelry.
We love to make all kinds of arts and crafts projects, and today she wanted to make some jewelry. So we just have a miscellaneous assortment of beads here. You can, buy these anywhere from Dollar Tree to Walmart, Target, online. You can get them as well, and you can usually get them relatively super cheap. Michael's, wherever you're going. And then we just have some elastic string with it.
Yep.
And we're going to string on the beads and make some bracelets.
We have them big enough to go around our wrists.
Our wrist, yes. We've already cut our string so that it will go around our wrist.
And we have a little extra so then we can tie it and we got jewelry.
Yes, we do. All right. So I am going to be providing aided language input using the Snap Core First Vocabulary from Toby Dynavox, and I'm on an iPad. I'm on the highest grid size that they allow in that vocabulary, which is 80. And I'm just going to be providing aided language input on a lot of core vocabulary words, a little bit of French. If your child or your student has a different AAC system, you can still benefit from this video because even though it may look different, the words are still going to be essentially the same on your system. They may just be located in a different spot, but you can still get an idea of the words that you could target or say during an activity and provide aided language input for. Okay, so first off, we are going to
spell something.
Oh, are we? Well, I was going to say that we are going to find all of our beads that we want to put on. And so I'm going to go to Art under Topics, and then I'm going to go to Topic Words and Art. Bead. We are going to put on our beads. All right, so you want to spell something?
What do I want to spell?
I was going to say what? What do we want to spell?
I keep thinking. It takes me a while to think.
I'm going to do something simple. So this can also be a great literacy activity as well, if you get beads that have letters on them.
How about I spell kid?
Okay. Whatever you want to spell, sweetie.
So.
All right. But you can talk about the letters that are in a word, have them pick out a word that they want to put on, or if it's their name, that's a great spot to start as well.
I'm going to spell kid.
And then you can talk about where the letter is located and letter sounds.
And I'm going to sound out the words so that I can get the right words.
That's right. We do. We sound them out in our head, and then we can find the letters that we want. I am putting on a couple of hearts to start my bracelet. I'm going to show you what my daughter taught me a little bit ago. So you can make a butterfly if you have hearts. Putting them together makes a little butterfly. You could even put a circle in the middle, couldn't you? Alright. So you are going to do kid? I am going to spell a message. And so I'm going to go to my keyboard. And I found the word, or the letter B. I'm going to put an E with it as well.
I'm trying to look for an E.
All I have to do is find an E.
Yeah, last time I looked, there was hardly E's.
There were hardly any E's. Uh-oh. I may have to change what I'm doing then, huh?
I'm spelling kid and I think there's an E at the end because something's silent.
There is not. K, I is a short sound. So there's no silent E at the end.
Yeah, me.
You have it right already. You spelled your word. Good job.
It's K-I-D.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you spell kid.
It is.
I'm gonna make an S, kids.
Mm.
There's a lot of S's. More.
There's just one S. So that means there's going to be more than one. Hey! Look! I found an E!
Ah. Well, one time I spelled Easter when it was Easter. I made an Easter bracelet.
Mm-hmm.
And then I spelled read because I love to read. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I did a lot of bracelets. There's a bunch up in my room.
You're right. You like to do jewelry. Okay, so B, and since B is going to be its own word, I need to put some decorations between. Maybe another butterfly.
I'm going to have a circle for the body. And then I'm going to have two. Let me look. Let me see which ones I want to do. What color do I want to do? How about a hot purple?
You're going to look and decide.
I was thinking I could do a hot purple.
Can you get me another pink one?
Pink heart?
Uh-huh.
Here you go.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to go to my quick fires so that I can say
thank you.
Thank you.
Now I need to find another so I can have two butterflies. Now let me test it out to make it look. Yep, that looks like a butterfly. You know, I think I could make an arrow. Just need a bunch of little circles and then a heart at the beginning, and it looks like an arrow.
Oh.
You.
Did you just discover something new that you want to try?
Yep, I'm going to try that. I'm going to make an arrow. Okay. I just need a lot of little circles. They're my colors I need.
I like how you're going to do something new. My heart is, not wanting to go on for some reason. So I am going to get a different one to try. There we go.
I think I have enough beads for my arrow.
More.
Alright, now I need more letters for another word. B, and I'm going to spell my message like I said. I'm going to say kind.
K.
Makes a K sound, so I'm going to find a K. I found a green one. Kind has an I, right?
Yep.
Ein. What sound do you hear next? Ein. Ein. Good job.
I'm almost done with my arrow.
You're right. I need an N next.
And here's how to draw it. So, make an arrow. So you just need a bunch of little circles, and then you need to get in heart.
Here, make sure you don't go all the way off there. I know. That would be bad.
And bad.
All
I'm
right.
gonna scoot it over a little far. So what I was thinking is, since heart goes this way, you can turn it that way. Make the pointy part go sideways, and make the heart parts go.
Is that the one that does not work? No?
No, it does.
Oh!
That
is so cool.
Yep. And so there's my hero.
Very cool. Alright. I'm going to put one more butterfly on.
What should I do next?
And then I'll be done. You want to add more to your bracelet?
I'm just gonna have one silver heart that goes on the other side to begin it. And then I'm done with mine.
Okay.
It's just kind of hard for you to get these
That
ones on.
sounds
Good.
good.
And here's mine, and I'm done. Woohoo!
Well, we're not all the way finished yet, are we?
Yeah, because I want to do some more bracelets.
You want
More.
to do more. I was thinking something
I
different.
Think.
I was thinking, that one sounded like stink. Alright, I was thinking we need to tie them off, don't we, on our hand to make a
Tie
bracelet.
them and then we can be done. But I want to make some more after this video.
Alright, I'm gonna go to my topics. Go to art. Topic words, art.
And I need
And
my
I'm gonna
mommy
get my
to-
scissors and I cut. We're gonna wrap it around.
And I need my mom to tie mine.
You do. There's nothing wrong with needing a little bit of help. We're gonna, we're gonna make a knot so that it stays. Okay.
I was checking on my rock that I made.
Yep, another craft that we did.
Yep.
Okay, and there we go. We have a bracelet that we can wear. And then what's cool about this is anytime that you do an art project, you can do like a show and tell thing. So they can go show other family members or other classmates if you're in school, whatever. You can go show off what you made and tell about it, and they can that can be another literacy opportunity to be spelling out the words and to identify what letters they have on their bracelet. So an all-around good activity. All right, happy bracelet making. Thanks. Please subscribe and comment below.